Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Hamoud from Hamoud Art Series and I'm back once again with another exciting walkthrough / speed art tutorial. Today I'll be creating this image using this and this image. I'll be using the exact workflow that I used in this image. To get a step-by-step guide, you can watch this tutorial. However, in this video, I'll be fast forwarding so you can have an overview look of how I did it. I used 3 stock websites, unsplash.com, pexels.com and pixabay.com. I used 2 third-party plugins, Profactions clone and Luminar AI. If you're enjoying the content, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And if you'd like to ask anything, please leave a comment as I read and reply to all the comments personally. You can also follow me on Instagram where I almost post every single day all my latest art pieces. Having said that, let's jump into the speed art.
Go.